In this video, I will show you how to set up a worksheet in Excel for printing. So the first thing we need to do is set the print area and the orientation. Before we begin though, let's look at the print preview. I've added the button to my quick access. You can go to File, Print Preview, and there we see what the worksheet will look like. So when you create something in Excel, it does not know how to print it. It doesn't have pages set up nice and neatly like in, say, Microsoft Word or something like that. So we need to guide it and give it some help. So I'm going to hit the arrow here to come out of the print menu area. And then here I am at the worksheet. So we want everything in this worksheet on this particular page to print. And you can see here on column C a little dotted line, which indicates that there's a page break that it's going to make, much like we saw in the print preview. We can see that same page break on column H. So to fix it, we're going to set the print area. So when we go from the home menu, we go to the page layout, where life is good. We can see all of these things that we can set. But the first thing is to set the print area. So we are going to highlight all the way across the worksheet header, the revenue table, the expenses table, and the what if assumptions table. And then we're going to go up here and go to print area, set print area. Nice. The other thing we're going to do is we are going to go up here to orientation, and we're going to set it to landscape. Nice. And we'll notice that the three little dots have disappeared. Now, we see one here at the E, yeah, and we've got it scaled at 100%. We are going to now going to go to switch to page layout view to see what it's going to look like, yeah. And so here we've got it still split across two. So we are going to scale to fit this across one page. We're going to come back, go back into page layout view, and there we've got the scale and we've got the print area set. These blank pages are okay because we're not going to be printing those. Another feature here is we can add our headers in this page layout view. And so we might want to put, for example, our name. We might want to put our title, we might put our business department, anything like that. Another common feature over here is, to put in, say, the date, the current date. It says at square brackets date, which means there's a field, which means that that date will change every time you print it. That's a great way to keep track of your printouts and which versions they are. And there we are. So then we're going to go to print preview now. And there we have our worksheet. Yes. Hope this helps.